Welcome. If you're looking to turn off the Protect IP Address and Calls feature on Messenger, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to troubleshoot call quality or simply prefer direct connections during your calls. Whatever your reason, the process is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. Next, look for the menu icon, usually found at the top of the screen, and tap on it. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all your Messenger preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to see more privacy-related features. Now keep scrolling until you reach the Advanced section. Here, you'll see an option called Protect IP Address. Tap on this option to open its settings. You'll notice a switch next to Protect IP Address. If the switch is on, your IP address is currently being hidden during Messenger calls. To turn this feature off, simply toggle the switch so it's no longer active, and that's it. You've successfully turned off the Protect IP Address feature for calls on Messenger. Now, your calls will connect directly, which may improve call quality, but will also reveal your IP address to the other party. Remember, turning off this feature means your IP address will no longer be hidden during Messenger calls. If privacy is a concern, you can always come back and toggle it back on at any time. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a quick walkthrough. Stay tuned for more tips and updates on getting the most out of your apps.